Underfunded judiciary and access to well-facilitated structures creates an embargo to delivering of justice as delivered by Taye Omoriyi at the first session alongside cyberbullying, impersonation and fraudulent activities being some of the negative sides of social media. In an address delivered by Ede Otutu Asenugwa at the second session of the Day 4 of the annual Law Week program by the Nigerian Bar Association, Edo State Chapter, Benin Bar. BTV News Freeman Osawe reports. Has the rest of this.
The president is signing.
Continuation of the annual Law Week Day 4 was graced by various legal professionals, amongst whom are Honorable Justice F. Igbonwomba, Chairman of Session and Judge of the Edo State High Court, Honorable Justice Peter Akikiero, Judge of the Edo State High Court, Nusa Francis Edo Sagi Esquire, Chief Host and Chairman, NBA Benin Branch, Honorable Pascal Bume Esquire, Chairman 2024 Law Week Planning Committee, as well as other legal luminaries, magistrate lawyers were present. The Speaker of the session, Taye Omoriyi, while buttressing the various jurisdictions of various courts in justice delivery, pointed out structural effects on courts to deliver justice adequately.
Section 8 provides for the territorial jurisdiction of the magistrates and stipulates that every magistrate shall have jurisdiction throughout the state, but may be assigned to any specified district or transfer from one district to another by the Chief Judge of the state.
Chairman of Session, Honorable Justice F. Igbonwomba, and other discussants also added to their voice of the issue, noting key difficulties faced with justice delivery.
It is not uncommon that day to day in the magistrate court, and I'm sure in other lower courts, you keep on having reoccurring lapses from other players in the administration of criminal justice.
The entire framework of Nigeria is restructured in every sector. Now what stops the system, the same system, from fashioning out a scheme of service?
During the afternoon session, the chairperson of the session, Honorable Justice Teresa Abe, opened the topic of discussion on social media abuse. How effective are the regulatory frameworks, if any, which emphasized on the need for social media influence in the daily actions of human life? The speaker of the session, Tobena Erojikwe, represented by Mr. Atoye, while giving a speech, outlined the essential usefulness of social media, such as medium for expressing opinions, is equivalent to freedom of speech.
The negative impact of such abuses can be very serious and result in physical and psychological trauma to victims, as well as widespread societal destruction. These issues have necessitated calls for robust regulatory frameworks to curb social media abuse.
Also speaking was Dr. Mobolaji Ojibara, who was represented by Ede Otutu Asenugwa. He said in recent years, platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, now called X, has contributed immensely to communication. He also said these same platforms have also been used to spearhead violence.
Fake news and misinformation can mislead the public, cause panic, incite violence, or influence political outcomes. Cyberbullying and harassment on social media platforms can lead to severe psychological distress for the victims. Additionally, online scams and fraud, such as phishing and identity theft, exploit users for financial gain, causing widespread harm.
It's easier to say that the social media have been used. One element of the technology. Another element of there's an impact. But whether they have to be abandoned, like the term of origin, that's what I can't perform here.
A vote of thanks was then delivered by the Chief Host and Chairman, NBA Benin Branch, Nusa Francis Edo Sagi Esquire.
And we have a us, and I can assure you that most of the findings from this event this morning are going to go right and make it
Speaking with BTV News, Honorable Pascal Bume, Chairman 2024 Law Week Planning Committee, who said the topics which centered on justice delivery and social media abuse has offered a better approach on the need for a well-funded judicial system and also a positive advantage of social media, with a view to also address the negative side.
These are issues, they are daily occurrences to know that through the social media, people are being lured and killed, people are being duped every day, people are being defrauded, and of course, there is also the positive aspect of social media. So at the end of the day, we would look at all the views and analyze the views But I think preponderantly, the view is that yes, social media is good. It has negative side. There's need for a bit more of control.
The annual law will continue and will climax with a dinner. Freeman Osawe, reporting for BTV News.